All right, I'm back. Okay, it's still raining, as y'all know. It's all day rain. They said 100%. Tomorrow, the other day they said 100% for tomorrow too. Excuse me. They said 100% for tomorrow, but today they say 74% or 72%. I don't know. I'm gonna check the news at 5 o'clock. All right, all right. I gotten a phone call, So so I ain't mean to so somebody that was calling. So yep, still a rainy day. A rainy, stormy day. You know. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Well, this gonna be the last segment of this gonna be the last of Facebook Live video. You know, listen to that to that thunder. Ain't that something, y'all? Mm-hmm. Listen to that damn thunder. Gotten it big. Yeah, slam dunk the funk. Ain't no slam dunk the funk. so so anyway, as it's raining here in New Orleans, I know it's raining in Metairie, but I wonder if that rain passed from New Iberia, Acadiana, you know. So where I think about it, y'all, I'm just doing this show just for the heck of it. All right, y'all know that's how we do. That's how we do it on the block, I guess. You know. So so how many of y'all like driving in the rain? Nobody don't like driving in the rain. At least you're not driving in the snow. You know. At least nobody driving in the dang snow. Mm-hmm. All right. You're driving in the snow. You're driving in the snow. You know. I don't know why I'm talking about snow and it's a rainy day. Okay. So thank God it didn't flood around here. So thankful it didn't flood at all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yep. Doing it good. Fooling good. Okay. One of these days I was thinking about leaving a cup outside. If it would have rained hard, I would have. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But I don't think I'll ever do something like that. You know, hold a cup while it's raining and stuff like that, and then drink the rainwater. Well, hmm, I don't know who calling. Hmm, I don't know who calling me. Hmm. Well, I better stop this live stream though. I better stop this live stream. So somebody interrupted my show. Okay. All right.